Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually play CS2 Faceit. Now Faceit is a service that is a third-party service connected to CS2, which allows you to play competitive in a better form. Now let's say you don't have an account. All you have to do is simply go to the top right corner and connect and make a Faceit account. Now then you will come up with the screen right here. Now as you can see, you need to connect your CS2. It's very easy to simply press CS2, and from there you get a load of options to choose from. You can actually invite players, so invite friends that you have on Faceit. Now you simply need to invite them via here, and if your friends are also playing Faceit, you can make a party in Faceit itself and from there connect a game. Now this will give you way better competitive matches and allows you to rank in Faceit, which allows you to get items in the shop for Faceit points. Now here you can also rank in the ladders right here and face points to actually earn to spend in the shop. What you could also do is here see the rankings itself, play leagues, which is also very fun, and here the matchmaking. It's very easy. Some features are hidden behind the paywall, as you can see right here. You need Faceit Plus for it to work, but otherwise you can simply choose the maps of your liking, and here you can also use Super Match. Now Super Match is a service that allows you to have better anti-cheat, larger party sizes, party with elo limit. So if you want people of your same league, you can choose them via elo. Now it's a very easy process. Just follow this video and play Faceit. Now if you still get any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I will try to help you. If this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.